Hello friends, welcome to the tootscorner.com videos. Is peanut butter fattening? Today let us see the facts about peanut butter, its benefits and a simple recipe. Let us begin. Peanut butter, a spread made up of ground and dry roasted peanuts that contain saturated fat, but that does not separate it into an unhealthy category. Healthy foods like olive oil, wheat germ and many more have some saturated fat, which is a good source of vegetarian protein. It contains a stack of minerals including magnesium, iron, zinc as well as vitamins like B and E. Healthy food determines by the whole package of nutrients it provides and not just a particular ingredient. Now let us see the benefits of eating peanut butter. Eating peanut butter helps control hunger without advancing in weight gain, hence it is suitable for weight loss. Peanut butter is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fat, which is good fat needed by a body. Relatively low carbohydrate foods contain the right amount of fats and protein as well as some fiber, which helps to manage blood sugar levels. Peanuts are high in antioxidants, which help the body to counteract oxidative stress and avoid getting chronic diseases. Resveratrol is a potent antioxidant which helps reduces risks of cardiovascular diseases, cancer and many others. Phytosterol in peanut butter has helped to normalize high cortisol levels among athletes. It also helps lose or gain weight depending upon the diets. It is a good source of magnesium, which is an essential nutrient for diabetes patients. Over the years, numerous studies show that people who have nuts or peanut butter in their regular diets are less likely to develop heart disease or type 2 diabetes compared to those who do not. Researchers also advise 46 grams of peanut butter per day could benefit the heart and improve blood lipid profiles. Around 2 tablespoons a day is the right portion size for healthy diets. Now let us see how to prepare healthy peanut butter at home. Please note down the ingredients. You need dry roasted unsalted peanuts 1 cup, skin is removed, honey 2 tablespoons and salt a pinch. Please note down the method. Add all the ingredients into the blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Healthy peanut butter is ready to eat. Transfer into a container and keep refrigerated for future use. I hope the information about peanut butter would be helpful for you and start preparing it at home to remain fit, healthy and free from diseases. Thank you.